Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making ham and bean soup, guys. This recipe is super easy to make. Don't be intimidated by the lack of ingredients we have here. Trust the process because this soup right here is going to be delicious. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start off by dicing our celery. Dice your onion. Mince your garlic, just like so. Dice your carrots. After chopping all your veggies, go ahead and take your navy beans and place it into a bowl. And what I like to do is basically go through the beans and see if there's any rocks or debris in it. Now, after going through your beans, it's time to wash them. As you can see, the water is really dirty. This is my last wash. After washing your beans, go ahead and add them to the crock pot. This is the smoked ham that I'll be using for this recipe, and I will be adding the bone to the recipe. So obviously I will not be using all this ham, so what I'm going to do is take some of this ham and save it for a different recipe. What I like to do is take some of this ham, give it a rough chop. After giving it a rough chop, over medium heat in a skillet, add your butter. After your butter has melted, go in with your ham. After 5 minutes, this is how our ham is looking. Now add your celery and your onion. Saute for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add your minced garlic, black pepper, and thyme. Saute for another minute. After a minute, this is how it's looking. That looks great. So now go ahead and turn off your heat. Now pour it over your beans. Quick tip, guys, do not skip the sauteing process of your veggies. This is what's gonna bring your soup so much flavor. Now add in your water. Add your ham. Place your lid. Turn on your crock pot. Going to set it on high for 6 hours. This is how our soup is looking. We still have about an hour of cooking before adding our carrots in here. So what I like to do is flip my ham so that this side can cook for another hour. Okay, after flipping it, go ahead and place your lid back on. After 6 hours, go ahead and remove your ham and place it into a large bowl. This is how my beans are looking. Go in and check and make sure that they are fully cooked. So what I like to do is go in with a potato masher and smash them. I do like my soup a little thicker, so if you don't like your soup a little thicker, you don't have to mash the beans. Now add your carrots. Now it's time to shred the ham. This is how the ham is looking. So that looks great. Now we can return it back to the soup. So after adding in my ham, this is how it's looking, and I am going to continue cooking this for an additional hour so the carrots can cook. To finish the cooking process, go in with some garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, and black pepper. We do not need to add any additional salt to this because the ham itself is full of sodium. After an hour, this is how my soup is looking. Go ahead and check to see if the carrots are done. And this should take us to the end of this recipe. Hello guys, so my ham and bean soup is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? After 7 hours of making this, we can finally enjoy it. The best. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.